Imagine having a forex trading system that has recorded up to 95% winning trades in its trading performance. Sounds impressive, right? But the real question is, how does the system work and what exactly does the bot do, and can you actually monitor everything yourself? In today's video, I am going to give you a complete overview of our AI powered forex trading bot, how it works with MT4 and MT5, how trades are managed, how you can monitor running profits, and how our forex services work. So make sure you watch this video until the end. Our AI powered forex bot is designed to analyze the forex market and identify potential trading opportunities automatically. The system works according to a predefined trading strategy and continuously monitors market conditions instead of requiring you to manually watch charts all day. The bot has shown trading performance with up to 95% winning trades during certain periods and market conditions. However, this is historical or observed performance, not a guarantee that every future trade will be profitable. The system analyzes market conditions and looks for trading setups that match its strategy. It is designed to identify potential entry opportunities and execute trades according to configured parameters. One of the biggest advantage is automation. You don't need to sit in front of your computer constantly monitoring charts. One of the biggest advantage is automation. You don't need to sit in front of your computer constantly monitoring charts. Once properly configured, the system can monitor the market and manage trades according to schedule, selective strategy and settings. Do not trust anyone simply because they show you a profit screenshot. Always ask questions. Check the trading history, understand the risk, verify the account activity, and make your own decisions. Our goal is to provide a transparent trading experience rather than simply making unrealistic process. If you want to learn more about our Forex AI bot, MT4 or MT5 services or account management options, contact us through the details provided in this video. You can ask for more information, understand the setup, and decide whether the system is suitable for. If you need more information and more details, contact us on Telegram username. We will give you all information about this bot. See you again in next video. Bye.